Hi guys, my name is Ladoski Art and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while I've made a video. That's why I tried to make a video on color theory. Now, what is color theory? I don't know, bro. But hue. What is hue? Hue is basically color. That's it. The primary colors we have the red, the blue, and the yellow. That's our primary colors. Now, after talking about primary colors, the primary colors are colors that cannot be mixed. Now let's go to the secondary colors. The secondary colors are colors mixed by primary color, which are we have when we mix the red and the yellow, we have what? We have orange. When we mix the orange when we mix the yellow and the blue, we have green. And when we mix the red and blue, we have purple. Those are the secondary colors. Now, moving from secondary color, let's go to the tertiary colors. The tertiary colors are colors mixed using the primary and the secondary color. How? Go find them by yourself. Mix it. I beg. Let's move from there. Let's move to value. What is value? Value is the light to dark in a color. Basically gray. We don't need to go into colors and that's from black to white. Now, apart from black to white, we have the red. We can turn the red to orange and we can also turn it to purple. That's value. Let's move to analogous color. Analogous colors are the colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, directly next to each other. We have the orange, we have light orange, we have yellow. Those are very clear to each other that makes a smooth transition. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other. We have orange and the purple opposite each other. Now, to make things easier for me when painting, because I'm also new to painting, I'm a professional artist when it comes to realism and stuff like that. But painting, I just started, I think, a month or two. I made my own color wheel, not exactly a wheel. Now, here you can see my primary colors. We have the yellow, we have the red, and we have the blue. Now, for my primary colors, after mixing this and this together, I get this. After mixing yellow and red, I get orange. Now, I mix this orange and this red to get this red orange. I mix this orange and this yellow to get yellow orange. Yellow and green to get yellow green. And I mix this and this to get this. That's how I got my colors. Now, I was talking about value earlier. This is black and this is white. You can see the value from dark to light. I use blue here, from purple to light blue, and this is analogous color. You can see how close they are. These are the analogous color. When you put them together next to each other, they are very, like, the difference in them is not that very much. Now, this was when I'm talking about complementary colors, which is orange and blue. You can see it on the color wheel. You can see how they complement each other on the color wheel. That is the easiest way to learn color theory. And that will be all for today on Ladoski Art channel. Please subscribe and like and comment and share to your friends. God bless.